All right, let's look at how to find the slope using the rise and the run. First, we want to know the equation. The slope is equal to the rise divided by the run. So let's look at a line, and we want to find the slope of the line. First thing we're going to do is find any 2 points that are right on the line and hit the graph as well. So let's find 2 points. And we can use this point right here. And another point we see that fits right on the graph nicely would be about right here. So we can use those 2 points. And next thing we want to do is find the rise. So we want to figure out how much you go up from left to right to get to the next point. And that would be right here. You go up 3, so positive 3 for the rise. Next thing we want to do is find the run. And the run is right here. From left to right, how much you move to left to right from one point to the next. And we get 1, 2, 3, 4. The run will be 4. Next, we want to remember that the slope is the rise divided by the run. So we go ahead and work that out. The rise was 3, so we put that on top, and the run was 4, and we get 3 over 4, and that's our slope of this line. Let's look at another example. Here we have a different line. I'm going to do the same steps. First, we want to find 2 points. So find any 2 points on the line. These 2 points will work. You don't have to use those 2 points, but that's what we'll choose here. Next thing we want to find is the rise. And this actually goes down from left to right. So it would go down 1 or make that a negative 1. Then we want to find the run from left to right here. And it goes over 2. 1, 2. Our run is 2. Then remember our equation. Our slope is the rise over the run, so we plug those in. Rise is negative 1, run is 2, and that's our slope. Slope is negative 1 over 2 of this line. Next, let's look at some special cases. This is a horizontal line, but the steps are the same. We first want to find any 2 points, so let's pick these 2 points. Again, you can pick other points, you'll get the same slope. Then we want to find the rise. But if you look at this from left to right, the graph doesn't rise at all. It's horizontal, so there's no rise. For horizontal lines, the rise is 0. Then let's look at our next step, would be to find the run. And for these 2 points, it goes 1, 2 to the right, so our run is 2. Then we use our formula, rise over run. We had the rise was 0, and the run was 2. So 0 divided by 2, and 0 divided by 2 is 0. So the slope of a horizontal line is going to be 0. And this goes for all horizontal lines. All horizontal lines have slope 0. All right, let's look at our last example. The other special case, a vertical line. Our steps are the same. Find any 2 points. Let's pick these 2 nice points here. Then we want to go ahead and find the rise, and we see that we just go up 1 from these 2 points. Then we want to find the run. Well, from left to right, this line doesn't move at all from left to right. There's no run. It has a run of 0. And this is true for all vertical lines. Then lastly, we want to use our formula, rise divided by run. Our rise was 1. Our run was 0. And this is, again, special case. Run is 0. You can't divide by 0. So 1 divided by 0 is undefined. So in this case, we get no slope. And this is true for all vertical lines. All vertical lines have no slope because they have a run of 0, and you can't divide by 0. All right, so we'll wrap up there.